Annyeong. I'll get my Vixx Live Fantasia Utopia DVD. Ha ha ha. Look, I got Yuk, Standy. Now let me see this photo. So, oh my god, Utopia feels. So it one by one. Here we go. VCR making, dance practice, stage rehearsal. Okay. Oh my god, and my baby. Handsome is it? Leo, kitty pie. Oh, OMG, Hongbin. Hongbin ah. Weh. Ken. Love you, Ken. Oops. Rabia. Robbie. Baby Yuki. Ooh. Blonde Robbie. Hot. Who is it? Who is it? Yuk? Oh, it's Yuk. I guess it's Yuk. Ken, Ravi, Hongbin, and Leo, and Yuki. Okay, dance practice. I don't know how to comment this, guys. Oh, I know it's N. N's hand. Look how dark it is. Oh, compared to the others. Oh my god, Ravi, how dare you? Oh my god, what's that, Kong? Kong, what's that? Mian. And she, you know, my bias is N. But they're so good looking. They're all good looking. Okay, stage rehearsal. Oh. Sorry, it is my first time to do this, so yeah. Just open it and I want to share to you guys. You must buy this. Oh my god. Blue haired and yeah. Oh my god, kitty pie. Smile. Smile, dear, smile. Yeah, real V. Oh. I bought this DVD $49, I guess. Yeah. Without shipping fee. Oh. Leo. And Hakyo na sarange. And it's so hot when it's dancing, right? So hot. Hongbina! Hongbina! Ken, your nose. I love your nose. Baby Ken. Voodoo doll. Yuki! Ravi! He's doing that dance again. When Utopia in Manila happened here, they don't have any backup dancer, so yeah. I guess this is much interesting, much beautiful. Aww. Are they singing here love letter? Bring back the memories. I love this guy so much. Sorry for that noise. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. They're so handsome. Okay, this video is already 6 minutes. Sorry. Sorry guys. I must Kenna Hongmin Rama goes. Rob is so hot. Yuki's so still baby for me. Oh, and Starlights, Velvet Doll. And she. Oh. They're so hot. That's all I can say. Okay, it's done. It's done. It's done. Yes. Okay, that's it. Let me go to the DVD. Sorry. Oops. Oops. This is so precious. This one, I mean, and this too. So simple. Packaging so simple, but so yeah. I got Yuk. I hope it's N, but well, I love Yuk. So yeah, that's all guys. See you soon. I will do also unboxing of Chain Up. I bought the 2 version of it, the Freedom and the Control version. Yeah. So see you guys. Annyeong.